Tonight Show. I am here with Chance the Rapper. Now, we're gonna liven up some of the most boring things imaginable by turning them into unforgettable songs in a game called Auto Tune-Up. Wow. Here's how this works. We'll each be given a random, boring paragraph, and the words will appear on screen, and our job is to turn it into an awesome song with the help of auto-tune. You ready for this?
Let's go.
All right, bud. I'm up first. Let's see what I will be auto-tuning. Registration info for a music festival. That sounds exciting. Okay. All right, here we go. Registering is easy, multi-step process. Sign up with your name and phone number and email. You'll receive an SMS with your unique code and a link to purchase the morning of the pre-sale. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
It's gonna be hard to top that.
That is climbing the charts. Yeah. Chance, now it is your turn. Let's see what you get. Side effects
for
Claritin. Yeah, it should be on your screen. The side effects of Claritin. Whenever you guys are ready.
All right, here we go.
Yeah. Common side effects of Claritin include headaches, sleepiness, nervousness, dry mouth, sore throat, blurred vision, or nosebleed.
Wow.
I can do this.
You started getting real fast at one point. Nervousness. All right, let's see. My turn. Let's see what I'm going to sing. Oh, wow. A description of what cryptocurrency is. All right, good luck with this one. All right, here we go. Let me hear this. It's a decentralized digital money designed to be used over the internet. Popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Zika.
The Zcash was so hard. The Zcash just went crazy.
All right, last song for you, Chance. Here we go. All right,
eBay listing for a used pool cue?
Yeah, It's the eBay listing for a used pool cue. Sounds very exciting. All right, let's see what you do with this. Let's get in the track.
This two-piece Q-stick is in a very good condition. There are no cracks, no splinters showing anywhere on this. Anywhere on this. I do not have the keys for the lock system for the case. I'm sorry.
Chance the Rapper, everybody! Check out his concert film, Magnificent Coloring World, exclusively at AMC Theaters this summer. We'll be right back with more Tonight Show. You don't have the keys. You don't have the keys. No.
The keys.
You lost the keys. I lost the the keys.